Okay, what if you never had to pay for AI video generation again? And I mean ever. I'm talking no subscriptions, no annoying watermarks, and absolutely no daily limits. Let's dive right into how you can build a complete AI automation channel using a workflow that is 100% free. So, first things first. We need to talk about a major roadblock that holds so many creators back, and that's the big problem with so-called free AI tools. I mean, this is the question, isn't it? It gets right to the heart of a frustration we've all felt. You find a tool, it says it's free, you start getting creative, and then, bam, you hit a paywall or some kind of crazy limitation. Yeah, this is what I call the classic freemium trap. On one side, you have the catch. You're hit with daily limits, your work gets plastered with distracting watermarks, and there's always that constant push to get you to subscribe. But on the other side, that's the promise. That's what we're all looking for, a tool that is truly unlimited and genuinely 100% free. But what if I told you there's a solution that actually delivers on that promise? Let's take a look at a truly free, zero-budget way to get this done. Meet GenTube. This right here is the game changer. It is a completely free and unlimited text-to-image generator. There's no pricing page, no hidden fees, and zero watermarks. It just completely solves that freemium problem we were just talking about. And honestly, GenTube's most mind-blowing feature is its real-time generation. As you type your prompt, the image just appears and evolves right in front of your eyes. You don't hit a generate button and wait, you literally watch your ideas come to life. It's a massive time saver. Okay, so you have this incredibly powerful free tool, but what are you going to do with it? Well, let's talk about a specific, super high-potential YouTube niche that you can fully automate with this workflow, what I call the bedtime story goldmine. So why is it a goldmine? It really comes down to a high RPM, that's revenue per mil, or basically what you earn for every 1,000 views. See, long-format content, especially the kind parents put on for their kids, attracts really premium advertisers. This makes hour-long bedtime stories one of the most lucrative niches on all of YouTube. The power of this niche really boils down to a few key things. The content is evergreen. I mean, a good story never gets old. It targets a daily habit, which means you have a built-in audience searching for this stuff every single night. This racks up massive watch time and turns those casual viewers into loyal nightly listeners. All right, you've got the tool and you've got the niche. Now let's walk through the exact step-by-step blueprint for creating these videos completely from scratch using only free tools. The whole blueprint is a super simple 4-step process. First, write the scripts. Second, generate the voice. Third, create the visuals. And fourth, you just assemble the final video. So let's break down each one. Okay, for step 1, the scripting. We're going to use an AI agent called GenSpark. It's a free tool that generates these awesome, high-quality, hour-long story scripts. And honestly, it's often way more consistent than something like ChatGPT because it's specifically tailored for telling stories. This gives you a really solid foundation for your whole video. Next up, the voice. For this, we'll use Gemini's text-to-speech. It's totally free for unlimited commercial use. And here's a little pro tip for you. To get around any character limits on those long scripts, just split your story into 2 halves and generate them one at a time. The quality is incredibly realistic and just perfect for storytelling. For step 3, creating all the visuals, we're heading back to GenTube. This is where you'll generate all the images that bring your story to life. But here's the key thing to remember. The goal is to help people relax and fall asleep, so you do not need perfect character consistency in every single image. Simple, coherent, calming visuals are what really matter here. And finally, we put the whole thing together. You can use CapCut, which is a free and surprisingly powerful video editor, to assemble all your images and your voiceover. For background music, just head over to the YouTube Music Library. It has a huge selection of copyright-safe, ambient tracks that are perfect for creating that soothing, sleepy vibe. And just like that, you have it. A complete zero-budget system. You now have the full toolkit and a step-by-step process to launch your very own YouTube automation channel, starting today. Let's just look at your entire automation toolkit laid out right here. You've got GenSpark for scripting, Gemini for the voiceover, GenTube for visuals, and CapCut for editing. And as you can see, every single step in this workflow costs you absolutely nothing. Zero. Now, if you're feeling a little hesitant to jump in, just remember this. The goal is not perfection on day one. The goal is just to start. Take that first small step, try to be consistent, and you'll improve as you go. So you have the free toolkit. You have a proven high-potential niche. Really, the only question left to ask is, What story are you going to tell first?